Hey guys, and welcome to the beginner's guide of the JBL VIBE100tws earbuds. And in this video we're going to explain to you how to get started with these truly wireless earbuds and all of its basic functionalities. In case you're looking for more information on a specific topic, then we do have a couple of videos that go into the details of, for example, how to pair them to your smartphone or charging the battery. But now let us get started. So when you initially get your earbuds, then there's still this little piece of plastic in between the charging case and the earbuds. So we want to remove the earbuds by sliding them to the side. So the right one we slide to the right side, the left one we slide to the left side. And then we're just going to take off this little piece of tape here. We're not going to use this ever again, so we can just throw this out. And now in order to activate the earbuds, we have to place them right back into the charging case. Just doing this will activate them, and you might see the LED on the charging case lighting up for a second. At this point we can now pair the earbuds, for example, to our smartphone. And in order to do that, the earbuds have to be in the Bluetooth pairing mode, which is indicated by those LEDs here that you see on the earbuds. When they're blinking here in blue, then that means they are in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And as long as your earbuds are brand new, they should automatically go into this Bluetooth pairing mode by themselves. Okay, so then we're going to switch to our phone. In this example, I am going to use here an Android phone, where we're going to swipe down, and that's where we find the cogwheel icon in the upper right corner for the settings menu. Here we find connections, and then the second list item here is Bluetooth. So we're going to enter this menu. We're going to enable Bluetooth, and now our phone is going to search for our earbuds, and it should find it within a couple of seconds. So you see here already on the phone, we see JBL VIBE100tws. We're going to click on that, and in this case we have to accept that we really want to pair to these earbuds, and within seconds this task is completed, and now we can see the features that these earbuds provide. So there's phone calls, we can listen to audio, and then the battery percentage of these earbuds is currently at 40%. So now at this point the earbuds are ready to be used, and this is a perfect moment for you to explain to you the button functionalities on the sides of the earbuds. So when you're listening, for example, to music or audiobooks, then we have the option to play and pause the playback with the button by just pressing it a single time. So when you press it once, it's going to pause, and when you press it again, it's going to continue playing. When we press the button twice, then this will switch to the next track. And pressing the button 3 times is going to go back to the beginning of the current track or to the previous track. Now in case you are receiving a phone call, then you can accept the call by pressing the button once. And when you press it again, then you're going to hang up. If you want to mute or unmute your microphone, then you're just going to press and hold the button for more than 2 seconds. When you're holding the button for more than 2 seconds while you're not in a phone call, then this is going to activate Siri, Google Assist or Bixby, so depending on the type of your phone that you have. Now in case you're trying to change the audio volume with the earbuds, then you're up for a disappointment. Unfortunately, that is not possible with this model, and you're still dependent on the volume buttons on your phone. In order to power off the earbuds when we're done using them, we simply place them back into the charging case. So for one, this is going to turn them off, and also it's going to recharge the batteries of the earbuds. Once the batteries are fully charged, we can safely leave them in the charging case. It's not going to hurt the earbuds and not overcharge their batteries. And the next time you want to use the earbuds, just take them out of the charging case, and they're going to automatically reconnect to your smartphone. So you don't have to go through this pairing process ever again. So they're automatically going to reconnect and be ready for use immediately. You can also see that they do reconnect by looking at the small LED on the side. So you're going to see this is going to light up for a couple of seconds in blue, and that indicates that they have successfully connected back to your smartphone. Now the battery of the earbuds is supposed to last for 5 hours, and then there's an additional 15 hours of battery life in the charging case. So now how do you know when it is time to charge the earbuds or the charging case? For one, we earlier saw the battery level of the earbuds here in our smartphone. And also the earbuds are going to start playing a specific jingle when their battery level is low. To recharge the earbuds, you just place them into the charging case, and the little LED on the charging case will light up for a couple of seconds. And I thought that the LEDs on the sides of the earbuds are supposed to start blinking as long as they are being charged, but for some reason with my model that is not the case. In general, a full charge of the earbuds takes about an hour. But eventually you also have to recharge the battery of the charging case, and you know that it is time to do that when the LED of the charging case is turning red. So when the charging case battery is almost full, the LED is going to be green. When it is about halfway full, then it's going to be orange, and when the battery is almost empty, it's going to turn red. So when we want to charge the charging case, then we can use here the supplied charging cable. So this is a USB type A to type C cable. And the C side, that goes here into the back side of the charging case. You plug that in here. And the other end of the cable we can plug in, for example, into the charging cube of your smartphone. So here I have, for example, my iPhone charger. So this is the charging cube from that. So we can plug that in here. You can also plug it, for example, into your laptop directly or any other USB type charger. Now a full charge of the charging case takes about 2 hours. And we can see a little bit of the charging process by taking a look at the LED here in the center. So when the battery level is really low, it's going to blink in red. Then eventually it will turn to orange, and then when the battery is almost full, it's going to turn green. And as soon as the charging process is completed, the LED is going to turn off completely. And at this point we can now remove the charging cable again, and we always want to make sure we do this really safely by pulling it out straight. We really want to avoid bending or twisting the connector while it is plugged into the charging port. Otherwise the charging port will break over time, and then we wouldn't be able to charge our battery anymore. Okay, so this was already it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.